Guys, we're gonna start with 2 lines, and then we're gonna make an arc connecting them on a point, and then add some detail. On the bottom, add rounded squares. Then you'll add the wings. It's sort of like a triangle on each, and then again the same figure we drew at the beginning. Now we're gonna draw 2 of those, but a lot skinnier and taller next to the big one. So now I'm just gonna go over with Sharpie to bring out the lines. And then just add little lines on the smaller pole. Now for the fire, just draw squigglies, and that's your space shuttle. Now for the rocket ship, we're gonna draw along 2 lines, and then the top is gonna be a point. The thickness is of 2 fingers. And then we're gonna draw a line, an imaginary line, so we can draw the little wings. And then add little details, and then the fire. Now let's go over with the Sharpie. And this part I like it because I can go over the parts I want, and the ones I don't want, I leave them alone. Now for the UFO, let's draw an arc on top, and then another one on the bottom. A half a circle on top, and then little circles underneath the bottom arc, and a line in the middle. Now arcs connecting the top arc to the middle line, and then just go over with the Sharpie. So I decided to make a little alien. Thank you for watching.